Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have diamond painting. So I was able to go inside Joann's and I was like in it for 2 hours and hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have diamond painting. So I was able to go inside Joann's and I was like in it for 2 hours and okay, so today we're going to do something a little different. I've been seeing this on YouTube and always wanted to try it but never really found one I was really interested in, but I found this Batman one and it was like really big and looks like it's gonna take forever, so I was really excited, so I picked it up. So yeah, so today we're going to diamond paint. I'm really excited, so let's go ahead and open up this box. Let's open up this box. Take this tape off. I have to make sure my nails were clean and it wasn't ashy because we're giving you a little hand modeling. Okay, so I believe this is the canvas. Oh my god. And this is all, I believe, the diamonds we will be using to actually paint. Okay. So we have all of these. Looks shiny and pretty. And let's see. No instructions inside the box. So let's see if it's somewhere in the canvas. Oh my god, I'm so excited! Okay, so the instructions are inside. So you guys, this is our canvas we're going to be working with. Looks pretty cool. I like it. I'm excited. So the instructions are here. A lot of instructions, so you guys want to go ahead and read some of these instructions and come back and let you know how it went. Okay guys, so as you can see from that time lapse, I went ahead and read some of my instructions. And I went ahead and cut and separated these bags of diamonds. So basically the instructions was basically telling me to set up this little tray thingy, put this little grip thing on. So I guess these are like the baggies if you end up like working and not finishing the packet you open. So from the looks of it, majority of this will be our A02 color. So I was told to peel it back and start from the corner, working my way up and I guess across the painting to keep from messing up the sticky stuff, to keep our diamonds stuck to our thing. So first they told me to firmly dip, I'm too sure if you can see, dip this tip inside of the wax firmly. I guess we're trying to just get some of this wax on, well, into our tube. Not too sure if that was in, so we're just gonna keep continuously trying to grab some of this wax. Okay guys, so I went ahead and got some of that wax up inside of my stylus. So now I'm gonna go ahead and empty a packet of these 802 beads onto my tray, like so. So we're just gonna empty them onto the tray. I don't think I'm gonna do all of them. I think I should have a little space to work. So now I'm going to turn on one of my shells, take a squat, and we're going to get painting. Are you guys excited? Let's go. So my phone is about to die, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and do some off camera, and once my phone charged, I'm gonna come back and show you guys what I did and continue diamond painting. So this is what I added last night off camera. So now I'm back and I was able to go get a frame for this bad boy. So we're just gonna continue adding on our diamonds and see how this turns out. Okay, you guys, so I just placed my last diamond in the painting. And look at it shine, look at it shine. I'm so excited. So, let me just talk to you guys for a few. And let me just put this up on the tripod. And put this in the frame. So, I'm really happy how it turned out. So the reason for me doing this was because one, I always wanted to do it, and two, it's going to be part of one of my videos for the channel. So I basically got the diamond painting to see how the material works, how long does it take me to actually paint with the diamonds and things like that. And it didn't take me as long as I thought it would. It's actually shorter. I just took a lot of breaks due to like 4th of July, things like that. But altogether, I say it took about 3 days. So, which isn't bad. I was expecting it to take more so like a week or so, but it wasn't. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the frame once I get it popped open. But yes, so this was really relaxing. I really enjoyed it. I thought it was gonna be more difficult, more complex, so to say, than it was, but it was actually easy. I actually want a bigger one, but I'm just gonna slow my roll on that. But you guys, yeah, this was more so of a test run on diamond painting, or using the diamond material for us, the wax and the pen and the adhesive to keep the diamonds on, just to get an idea of the material. So I think it was a success. So let me just stop talking for a few, get this in here, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so I was able to get my picture into the frame. It looks a little off at the top, but I think it should be fine. But here you go, the diamond painting. So I just want to thank you guys so much for watching my video. Make sure you go like, comment, and subscribe for more content on this channel. And make sure you stay tuned for the dress I'll go ahead and diamond painting from my experience. Thank you so much for watching. Tune in next time. See you guys later. Bye.